All right, it's our fourth day of research. Let me review what we did yesterday before we move on to what we're doing today. Yesterday, we narrowed down our topic. So we started with our ethnic group. Mrs. Debra and I started with Sikh Americans. Then we narrowed down to a focus topic, post 9/11 discrimination. And then we developed a broad research question that would guide the rest of our research. So we focused on how did 9/11 impact discrimination against the Sikh community. That is what we began doing yesterday. The second thing that we did yesterday is that you looked at getting background information on that focus topic. So you wrote that in this section here. Following that, you developed more focused, smaller research questions, and you used these sentence frames to do that. So, to review, these smaller questions help you answer the broad question. It's as if you were trying to buy a car. Your broad research question would be, which car should I buy? Then you would also need to develop smaller questions, such as what type of gas mileage does this car get? How many passengers can this car seat? All right, so you need to develop smaller questions in order to answer the broad research question that you developed on your topic. Once you've completed that work from yesterday, what you're going to do is you're going to organize your smaller focused research questions into categories with other similar questions that you have. Eventually these categories of questions will become the categories you use to organize your note cards. They will also become how you organize your website. So you can see here I've divided up all of those smaller questions that I developed on those other sheets into categories. So I had a category called general questions about Sikhism in the United States. I have a category about the causes of violence against Sikhs, a category about the incident at Oak Creek, a category about what has been done to prevent violence against Sikhs, and Sikh reactions to Oak Creek and other discrimination. So having these divided into categories can help me focus my research and organize my research as well. The second thing we'll have you do is, if you have time, to locate a source that has the possibility to answer some of these questions, and then write down that source information next to the question. You could just copy and paste the URL next to the question so that you can go back later as you do your research and easily find information. At this point, Wikipedia is not an option. I want you to use a mixture of websites, journal, newspaper articles, and print resources. Use the locating sources document to help you. That locating sources document you can find on my website. It looks like this, and it gives you some ideas for how to search, where to find sources as well. So those are your goals today, to do these two steps.